paint removal is key. Stacy already drilled this out, but when you're doing repair, you want to think of like a dentist would drill out a cavity. You don't want to leave this behind because what you're doing is you're trapping the rot underneath and it's not very strong. So we're going to drill this out like a dentist would drill out a cavity. See how easily it comes out? You want to cut back any bad, loose, punky material. Because if you leave it behind, eventually it's going to chip, break, and fall out. So we want to do it once. Okay. So now when you feel this, when you take a look at this, this is really solid. Okay? See, we're down to good, bright, solid hardwood. What Stacy's doing is she's packing it in. She's making sure that there's no bubbles. She's packing it into the cavity where she removed the decayed and damaged material. What we're going to do to create a right angle is we're going to use plexiglass, okay? We're going to clamp that on so that we get a nice sharp corner. Okay, we'll have to use a clamp.
Actually, that will stay eventually.
Yeah. We're going to go like this. Okay, we're good. The corner's good all the way up. And then we're going to leave it. It's going to take about 24 hours to dry.